Hi guys. So in the previous class we have learned that the definition of valency with suitable examples. In this session we are going to learn valency of an atom of a particular element with a simple trick. So to use this simple trick you need to learn from the periodic table. Just you need to learn the S black group elements and P black group elements. If you know the uh, groups of this S and P black, so you can identify the valency of an atom of particular element very easily by using the trick which we are going to learn today. See here I have written first A group elements like hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium and so on. Second A group elements beryllium, magnesium, calcium, so on like that. And third A group elements boron, aluminium, gallium, indium like that. And fourth A group elements carbon, silicon, so on like that. So in the previous class I mentioned the definition of valency, that the combining capacity of an atom, it is equal to its valency I said. So according to that, this boron combined with three atoms, so its valency is generally 3. This beryllium combined with two chlorine atoms, hence its valency is what? Beryllium valency is 2. So by looking at the molecule we can say easily, based on the surrounding atoms you can say easily. But if you look at only an atom, only one atom, for example you have seen boron, what is its valency? You have seen beryllium, what is its valency? So to identify the valency of looking at atom itself, we are learning now. So what I want to say here is these atoms or atom of element valency, it is equal to their group number itself. For example, hydrogen belongs to first A group elements, that is hydrogen valency is what? 1. Beryllium belongs to second A group elements, that is beryllium valency is what? 2. Boron belongs to third group, so boron valency is what? 3. Similarly, carbon belongs to fourth A group element, so 4. Carbon valence is 4. See, earlier we have seen that the valency of all these elements from first A group to fourth A group, we have seen that their valency it is equal to their group number from hydrogen to, for example, if you look at hydrogen, its valency is equal to its group number, that is 1. Similarly, beryllium, it is equal to their group number, that is 2. But from 5th A group element to 8th A group elements, these elements valency is not equal to their group numbers. That is, for example, nitrogen, if you take, that belongs to 5th A group elements, so hence nitrogen valence is not 5. Okay, as nitrogen belongs to 5th group, 5th A group, the nitrogen valency it is equal to not 5. Okay, similarly oxygen belongs to what? Oxygen belongs to 6th A group, right? Here you can see the oxygen belongs to 6th A group, but oxygen valency is not 6, it is different. Here from 5th A group to 8th A group we need to do a little bit operation like a subtraction to identify the valency of nitrogen, oxygen, something like that. So in this case what we have to do is first see, for example, V stands for valency. What valency is equal to, what we have to do the operation is 8 minus group number of the particular element which for which we are going to calculate the valency. For example, now we are calculating the valency of oxygen. You just assume that oxygen valency we are calculating. So what is the group number? So first we need to write 8 minus oxygen group number is 6A, that means 6 you should write. 8 minus 6, 2. So oxygen valency is 2. So that's the reason why oxygen only it forms 2 bonds with 2 hydrogens in water molecule H2O. Okay. So similarly now we are calculating the valency of, for example, nitrogen atom, you just assume. So what we have to do, for valency of nitrogen is equal to 8 minus its group number. 8 minus its group number is what? Fifth A group. So you should write 5. 8 minus 5, that is 3. So as a nitrogen valency, it is equal to 3. Nitrogen generally it forms 3 bonds